Good morning, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is an EOSH presentation video for Asbestos O&M SOP 4, which is the HEPA cartridge replacement. Before we start, a few things that we should be doing is wearing our PPE. Several things are mandatory requirements is nitrile gloves, put them on. Safety glasses, you should have work boots on, and additional PPE that's required as necessary as you see fit are hard hats and hearing protection. In addition, recommended to print out SOP, the latest version of the SOP 4 for your use. It's a step-by-step guide in changing the HEPA cartridge filtrage. So let's start. You open up the cartridge. Let's make sure we get all the equipment out. This is the hose, connector with the hose, and power source. Plug in the power source. And you're going to plug in one end with the vacuum attachment. And on the other end, you're going to take out the sealed cap and insert your hose. What you want to do is vacuum the inside of everything and then wet wipe it as well. So let's turn on the vacuum. Make sure it shuts off properly before you remove the hoses. Take out the hose, insert the cap back on. Now we're going to remove the old cartridge. There's two tabs, lift them up. You also have a cartridge for the inside. Make sure you cap it. Right. You put it into the old cartridge into an asbestos waste bag. In addition to vacuuming, you also want to wet wipe the inside. Okay? You can put the wet wipes in a Ziploc bag, seal up the Ziploc bag, and make sure that waste also goes into the asbestos bag for disposal. To seal it up, you want to get as much air out as possible. You twist it several times, and what we use the gooseneck method. Just twisting it and then tying it down. Take some duct tape. Make sure to go around several times. And this asbestos bag is ready for disposal. From there, you make sure you take apart your HEPA filters, your HEPA vacuum parts, place it back in. And now we're going to insert the new cartridge. Take your new cartridge, remove the inside cap, and make sure to save this cap because you're going to need it for the next time you do a clean out. With the tabs, slowly place it inside. Make sure it gets locked. Make sure the outside cap is stayed on until the next usage. close up. Whoop. Get off everything else inside. Now you're going to close up the HEPA filter and the vacuum, and it's ready for next usage. That is SOP number 4, asbestos O&M HEPA cartridge filter replacement. Thank you for watching.